Welcome to a long-awaited refresh of the PDA website. You've been used to seeing a website like this one. Well, as we like to say, out with the old and in with the new. The bottom of the website, called the footer, holds a lot of information. For the best experience, be sure to log in with your PDA username and password. Much of the new site has member-only information. Unsure of your login information? Request a reset with a click or tap below the social media icons. Take a look at these new features. Finding the information you need is a click or tap away. All of PDA fits into the 5 categories of navigation. Still searching? Try out our new search bar. We're pretty sure that will guide you to the right place. Save valuable time by using our contact forms. Every main page on the website has a Contact Us button. Complete the form, upload documents or pictures if you'd like, and a staff member will reply to you. Membership and continuing education pages also have login reset and initial login requests for non-dentist team members. You can even share an event or CE program and place a classified ad, all by completing a form. No matter what type of screen you are using, PDA's website will resize to fit. This is called a responsive site. Mobile users are in for a treat. It's a mini version of the new site. The 3 lines in the top right, called a hamburger menu, will show you a drop-down navigation of those 5 major categories of PDA. Worried about scrolling too much? No fear. We've added a nifty orange arrow in the bottom right to take you back up to the top. And if you're looking at the site on a larger screen, you'll also see the words back to top in addition to that orange arrow. Well, we sure are excited about these changes. We hope you enjoy these upgrades to this important information source.